welcome to my YouTube channel. Those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel. Those who have already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. In this video we are continuing the important questions of science of class 8th. So now the 15th, in the previous video we have answered up to 1 to 14. Now let us answer from 15th question. Why is Mercury very hot during the day and very cold at night? Because Mercury is very close to sun. So this is the answer for 15th question. Since Mercury is very close to sun, it is very hot during the day and very cold during night. So now let us move for the 16th question. Write any two main causes of noise pollution. So now let us answer let us write what are the two main causes of noise pollution. The first cause is uses of automobiles. Since we are using more and more automobiles, so it leads to noise pollution. That is the first one. Then second one, use of various machines in factories. Since we are using so many machines in factories, and those machines will make so much of noise, that leads to noise pollution. So these are the main two causes of noise pollution. Now let us move for the next question. Why carbon monoxide is considered to be dangerous pollutant? Because it is a poisonous gas. Carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas. Since it is a poisonous gas, it reduces the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood. Bloodina oxygen carrying capacity na kadme madutte. So therefore it is very dangerous. So this is the answer for 17th question. Now let us move for the next question. Write any three characteristics of a good fuel. A good fuel should have the following characteristics. It should have high calorific value. That means it should give more heat. First one. Second one, it should be easy to store and transport. Store ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ transport ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ easy ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Then third one is it should be cheap. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. So these are the three characteristics of a good fuel. Now let us move for the next question, that is question number 19. In question number 19, so give scientific term for the following. So ಇವುಗಳಿಗೆ scientific terms ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋಣ. So ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಮೊದಲನೇದು a male hormone. A male hormone is called as testosterone. Then female gamete in human being. The female gamete is called as egg. So egg is the female gamete, or it is called ova or ovum. Next, cell produced after fertilization of gametes. They are called zygote. Then part of the female reproductive system where fertilization takes place. So it is fallopian tube. Or even you can call it as oviduct. Fallopian tube andru onde, oviduct andru onde. So this is the answer for, that is 19th question. Now let us move for 20th question. So reason is because it does not have well defined nucleus. Since it does not have well defined nucleus, it is called as prokaryotic cell, and it is a single cell. Then coming to 21st question, give reasons for the following. So answer for first question is because due to availability of atmosphere and water. This is the main. So here atmosphere is present, as well as with atmosphere water also available is there. Therefore it is possible to have life on earth. Second question, pole star is stationary. So the answer for pole star is stationary because it is situated in the north, in the north direction along the axis of rotation of the earth, Therefore we feel that pole star is stationary. Next, coming to the next question, thunder is heard much later than lightning strikes anta ide. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. So thunder is heard much later anta ide because speed of light is more than speed of sound. ಸೊ ಲೈಟಿನ ಸ್ಪೀಡು ಸೌಂಡಿನ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ಗಿನ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಲೈಟ್ನಿಂಗು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಥಂಡರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಡಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಲೈಟ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ರಾಡ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಬರೀಡ್ ಡೀಪ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್. ಸೊ ನೌ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ರೀಸನ್ ಈಸ್ because the long rod provides easy path for the transfer of electric charge to the ground during lightning. So this is the answer for D question. Now let us move for 22nd question. Why one should not light a matchstick near a petrol pump? So reason is because petrol is a highly inflammable fuel, and it can catch fire easily. Therefore we should not light a matchstick near a petrol pump. So this is the answer for 22nd. Now let us move for the 23rd question. So now let us answer the 23rd question. State any 4 uses of artificial satellite. The first use of artificial satellite is it is used for forecasting weather. It is used for forecasting weather. This is the first use. The second use is for transmitting TV and radio signals. TV and radio signals. Then the third one is for telecommunication. So artificial satellite is used for telecommunication, and it is used for remote sensing. So these are the main uses of artificial satellites. Now let us move for the next question. Why are CNG becoming very popular over the diesel cars? Because it has high calorific value, because it has high calorific value, it has high calorific value, comma, it is an clean and efficient fuel. It is an clean and efficient fuel. So ಎರಡು reasons ಸಾಕು why we are using CNG instead of diesel cars. Then let us list what are the effects of global warming. So the main effects of global warming is the first one, that is it leads to increase in sea level due to rise in temperature. The polar ice melts. This is the first one. Second one, it threats to aquatic life. ಸೊ ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬದುಕುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ. ಇದು ಎರಡನೇದು. ಮೂರನೇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಲೀಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಫ್ಲಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್. So it leads to flooding and desertification due to scanty rainfall. And the fourth one is loss of habitation. So much of animals, they will lose their habitat, therefore loss of habitation. So these are the main things that you have to keep it in mind regarding global warming. It is very important question. Next, let us answer the 26th. So what are, or list any 3 changes that takes place in the male, that is during adolescence. So what are the changes that you can observe in male during adolescence is, that is growth of facial hair. Growth of facial hair, that is mustache and beard. ಗಡ್ಡ ಮೀಸೆಗಳು ಬರೋದು. ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, so even hair grows under arm, ಕಂಕಳು. ಅಂಡರ್ ಆರ್ಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಂಕಳು. ಅಂಡರ್ ಆರ್ಮ್ಸ್ and in public region. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಸೊ ಏರ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಆಗೋದು. ಇದು ಎರಡನೇದು. ಮೂರನೇದು, ಸೆಕ್ರೀಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟೋಸ್ಟೆರಾನ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್. secretion of testosterone hormone. ಟೆಸ್ಟೋಸ್ಟೆರಾನ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನು ಸೆಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಬರೀಬೋದು. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್. ಸೊ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಧ್ವನಿ ಗಡ್ಸಾಗೋದು. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ 3 changes that you can observe in male during adolescence. Now the next question is, what are the harmful effects of acid rain? So now let us answer this question. The first effect of acid rain is that, so acid rain, it causes skin cancer. It causes skin cancer in humans. Second point is that, so due to acid rain, many historical monuments, for example Taj Mahal, historical monuments gets destroyed. And the third one, it causes severe effect on population of aquatic life by destroying the eggs. ಸೊ ಮೊಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಾಶ ಮಾಡೋ ಮೂಲಕ ಅವುಗಳ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ನ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ 3 ಕಾಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹಾರ್ಮ್ಫುಲ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ರೈನ್. Next, let us move for the next question. Define menarche and menopause. So now let us define what is menarche. So menarche andre the first menstrual flow. The first menstrual flow begins at puberty. Is called menarche. Then what is menopause? So menopause andre eno? The stoppage of menstruation. The stoppage of menstruation between 45 to 50 years is called menopause. Arch andre beginning, pause andre stop anta. Now let us move for the last question of this paper. Give reason. Sand can be used as a fire extinguisher. And the second one is incomplete combustion of fuel can cause health hazards. Now let us give reason for these two. So for A question, sand can be used as a fire extinguisher because sand has heat absorbing capacity. Sand has heat absorbing capacity and suffocating the fire by cutting down the oxygen supply. So this is the answer for sand can be used as a fire extinguishers. Now the last question is incomplete combustion of fuel can cause health hazards? Now let us answer this question. So for this one, incomplete combustion leads to health hazard because incomplete combustion produces carbon monoxide, which is a poisonous gas, and reduces the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood. So therefore it leads to health hazards. So like this we have to answer this question. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. So thank you very much.